Hey y'all, how you doing today? Dana here, and we're gonna turn these beautiful peaches into a peach pie. Really fast, really easy, and you're gonna love it. Crank your oven up, get you a saucepan, crank your oven up to medium heat, and then you're going to pour in 1 cup of sugar. Now you're gonna mix in 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. That's our thickening agent, so we gotta do it. We're gonna stir this together, and then we're gonna add a cup of water. Then we're gonna whisk and whisk and whisk and whisk, and we're gonna let this get warmed up and let it get thick. When it starts getting thick, you're gonna add your peaches. You wash your peaches and then you just start peeling them.
Okay, we're gonna stop every few minutes and stir. Okay. Look at that.
All right, that's getting thick. Let's turn this off. Turn this off and go ahead and add some things to it. One thing we're gonna add is half a stick of butter. Juice of 1 lemon. Combine. Turn this beautiful peach into this beautiful pie. Love and blessings to you. The good Lord loves you and I love you too. Y'all go make a peach pie. The recipe's in my cookbook, Happiness is Homemade, y'all. Available on Amazon.